Good afternoon, friends. How are you? Today I am teaching you fourth class first lesson. Okay. So the first lesson name is the ungrateful master. The ungrateful master. Ungrateful means opposite of great. So great means already you know G-R-E-A-T. So what is the opposite of this ungrateful? G-R-E-A-T. So great means already you know. Oh, see that person is great. The star is very great. So what is that great opposite? That is ungrateful. So here also his master is ungrateful. That means he is not a good master. He is a bad master. Okay. How we know? Now we know by reading this lesson. We know that he is bad or good. So okay, students, all of you open your books. A man once owned a dog. So a man once owned a dog. So he has a one dog. When the dog was young and strong and could do all kinds of work, his master made a great fuss over him. So he has a one dog. So this dog was very young. So this dog was very young and strong. So when the dog was very young and strong, he was able to do any work. What was the master says, he does every work. The dog was fatted and well fed. He was also allowed to sleep in the kitchen when the nights outside were cold. Okay, what does the master do when it is rainy season? So what we do in the rainy season? All the cows, buffaloes, everyone will go into shed, and we go into our room. So what did this master? He allows this dog to come into the kitchen room and also allowed to sleep. Okay. See for example, rainy season ఉంది కదా, మనం చాలా మంది ఏం చేస్తాము, ఇంట్లో పడుకుంటాం. అదే ఇప్పుడు డాగ్స్ ఇంకా బఫెలోస్ కౌస్ అవన్నీ ఇంట్లోకి వచ్చి పడుకుంటాయి, పడుకో. సో షెడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో అందుకని ఈ మాస్టర్ ఏం చేసిండు, బయట పడుకోకుండా కిచెన్ రూమ్ లోనే పడుకునేటట్టు చేసిండు. అంటే అంతా దానికి ఫ్రీడమ్ ఇచ్చిండు. సో నెక్స్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ all of you listen. But when he grew old, his teeth dropped and could not work for his master any longer. So what is the meaning of dropped? D-R-O-P-P-E-D. Dropped means, see, this teeth pallu ఊడిపోయి. So dropped means that. So the man grew unkind. So the man grew unkind. Unkind, kind opposite. Unkind means daya lekunda. Kind ante daya. Unkind means daya lekunda. So he refused to give him any food. He beat him and finally he drove him away from the home. So he refused to give him any food and drove away from the home. Means intlo nunchi aa kukkani bayatiki వెళ్ళగొట్టేసింది. Next all of you see listen third paragraph. The poor dog trotted sadly off into the wild woods. So this dog was get out of from the house and he was sat beside the wall. There he met a huge grey wolf. So after some time a dangerous wolf came. So what is the color of that? Grey wolf. Grey wolf. Okay. So wolf means already you know wolf means third year. So one grey wolf came and just came near the dog. At first, he was afraid of him. So first, this dog was so much of afraid. Why? Because this wolf was very, very big than the dog. For he was old and weak, but the wolf proved to be very friendly. This dog was very frightening, so very fearing, but the wolf was very friendly to the dog. How are things with you, my friend? Said the wolf to the dog. So the wolf came and asked to the dog. So, okay, what happened? Said the wolf to the dog. Oh, very bad indeed. My master is most unkind to me. So this wolf asked to dog. So dog nadi ఏమైంది అంటే అప్పుడు ఈ డాగ్ మొత్తం స్టోరీ మొత్తం చెప్పేసింది, ఇట్లా జరిగిందని చెప్పింది. So now that I am old and can work no longer, he beat me and did not give me any food. Yesterday he drove me away and now here I am was the sad decline. So the dog total from starting total story told. Oh, that is too bad, said the big grey wolf. Your master should be taught a lesson. Perhaps I can help listen and I have a plan. So this dog everything told to the wolf. Then the wolf told to the dog that so your master will be taught a lesson. అంటే ఈ మాస్టర్ మీ మాస్టర్కి ఒక మంచి గుణపాఠం చెప్పాలి, ఒక లెసన్ చెప్పాలి అని చెప్పి. సో పర్హాప్స్ ఐ కెన్ హెల్ప్ లిజన్ ఐ హావ్ ఎ ప్లాన్. సో నీకు నేను ఒక ప్లాన్ చెప్తామని చెప్పాను. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 4 ఓపెన్. నెక్స్ట్ the dog pricked up her ears to listen to him. See, pricked means what? Pricked. See, pricked means see some students, anybody any secret elements just like telling in your ears. So this is also, this dog also pricked to the wolf and listening the plan. What was the plan? Then said the great wolf, every morning I notice your mistress puts the baby in the cradle outside the back door while she carries on with her work. So this wolf telling that every morning your master is carrying his baby and putting near the tree. Okay. So yes, she does. Well, tomorrow we will watch, and as soon as she leaves the baby outside, I will run up, snatch the child from the cradle and pretend to run away with it. So every day your master carrying one baby and putting near the tree. So that time I will come and snatch your baby. Snatch means what? Snatching. See, snatching means some robbers, what they will do? They will snatch the gold chains from the women. So that's why this wolf also what doing? This is also snatching with its mouth. Okay, then you must come and chase me. Then you must come and chase me. Chase me ante vembadinchali. Bark as loudly as you can, so that your mistress will hear you. Then she will run to see what was happened. So when I snatching the baby, you should come and chase me, and then your mistress will hear you. Okay, mistress and I will wait. Then she will run to see what has happened. బయట ఏం జరిగిందని ఒకటేసారి వచ్చి చూస్తుంది. Although you have no teeth, you must tousle my fur and pretend to attack me. Then I will drop the baby and run away. ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే నువ్వు ఒకటేసారి చేసి నన్ను కొంచెం పట్టుకున్నట్టు చేస్తే నేను ఇప్పుడే వదిలేస్తాను. ఓకే, then your mistress will be sure to tell her husband all she has seen, and then she will no doubt treat you well. Then your mistress will come and tell the stories all about this, and she helps you to come inside the room. An excellent idea, said the dog. We will do as you suggest. So this dog was told that, wow, what an excellent idea. So is it an excellent students idea? So idea was very good. So we will do as you suggest. Next morning, the wolf and the old dog waited for the woman to put her baby outside the back door. Now only the wolf told the idea now. So now following. So next day morning, what happened? Next day, the wolf and the dog, they both are sitting beside her. Okay. Next, the woman put her baby outside the back door. They saw the woman come out and place the baby in the cradle and return to her work. So the mistress came and put the baby backside the door and went into the kitchen room to do some work. No sooner had she disappeared from their sight than the wolf bounced forward. So immediately when the mistress went inside, immediately the wolf came and snatched the baby and was running. Bounced forward. He seized the child in his jaws and ran off with it towards the wolf. As per the plan, the old dog began to bow, and chased him. So when the wolf snatched the baby, immediately the dog came and just stopped the wolf and said, bow wow. So that how the dog barks, bow wow, says, and chased him. The woman came out, and when she saw what had happened, she was terrified. Terrified means what? Terrified means very feared. Terrified means chala bhayapadadu. Husband, she cried. Husband means what? Husband means wala bharta. Come quickly, the wolf is taking away our baby. Come fast, where are you? Our baby. Some wolf is snatching our baby. So the woman was telling to his husband. But the husband was far away in the forest. But the husband was very far. అంటే అతను చాలా దూరంలో ఉన్నాడు, చాలా దూరంలో ఫారెస్ట్ లో ఉన్నాడు. And did not hear her cries. ఆమె మాటలు అతనికి వినపడలేవు. The woman cried, waving her broomstick in desperation. The woman ఏం చేసింది, చాలా ఏడ్చింది. And also taken the broomstick. Broomstick means చీపురు కట్ట తీసుకొని so but it was no use. When she saw the dog catch up with the wolf, he buried his jaws in the wolf's shaggy coat and seemed to be attacking him. Then the wolf was going very fast. Oh, helped the wolf as if in pain. Suddenly he dropped the baby and ran away, entering the woods. He was soon out of sight. So what happened? Suddenly he dropped the baby. So the wolf dropped the baby. Why he dropped her? Backside only dog was came and just snatched it. See this, all of you see this. Snatching. Okay, just. So then immediately the wolf left the baby there only. The woman was filled with joy when she saw her baby unharmed. So when the dog did this work, the woman felt very happy. A woman చాలా సంతోషపడింది, ఎందుకంటే ఆ డాగ్ wolf నుంచి బేబీని కాపాడింది. So that's why she was very happy. Good dog, okay, good dog, she exclaimed. I will tell your master when he comes home. He will be much kinder to you when he hears about all this. Okay, చాలా మంచి కుక్క, నువ్వు నా బేబీని కాపాడవు, ఈ విషయము మాస్టర్కి చెప్తాను అని ఆమె సంతోషంగా చెప్తుంది. When the master came home, his wife told him about the dangerous situation and how their baby was rescued by the dog. Rescued means what? Rescued. Rescued means protected. So కాపాడింది. Rescued means కాపాడింది. సో ఏ విధంగా ఈ మన కుక్క ఆ తోడే నుంచి ఎలా కాపాడిందో మొత్తం స్టోరీ మొత్తం కూడా వాళ్ళ భర్తకి explain చేసింది. So he felt very happy on seeing the dog and his gratitude towards them. He felt ashamed. So మాస్టర్ ఇదంతా తెలుసుకుని అయ్యో నేను కుక్కని ఎంత పని చేసిన, నేను దానికి ఫుడ్ ఇవ్వలేదు, దాని ఇక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్ళగొట్టినా, దాన్ని బాగా కొట్టినా అని అతను చాలా లోపల బాధపడుతున్నాడు. కానీ అదే కుక్క తన బేబీని కాపాడింది. సో he felt ashamed of his behavior. Behavior means ప్రవర్తన. Okay, behavior means ప్రవర్తన. Okay, so from that day he was so kind towards the dog. Meanwhile the dog went to his friend wolf and thanked him by bowing his head. So next day what happened? This dog went to the wolf and said thanks to wolf. So next day morning the వెళ్ళి wolfకి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పింది. నాకు చాలా మంచి ఐడియా ఇచ్చినావు, నువ్వు చెప్పినందుకే మళ్ళీ నా మాస్టర్ను మంచిగా చూసుకుంటున్నాను, నీకు చాలా ధన్యవాదాలని చెప్పాను. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ అది తల వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ద డాగ్ వాస్ వెల్ ఫెడ్ అండ్ ఫ్యాటెడ్ and from then on he lived happily for the rest of his life. సో ఆ రోజు నుంచి మాస్టర్ ఆ కుక్కని చాలా మంచిగా చూసుకుంటాడు. సో టైటిల్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ద అన్గ్రేట్ఫుల్ మాస్టర్. ఓకే, అంటే ఈ మాస్టర్ కాదు, ఎందుకు అంటే ఆ కుక్కను వెళ్ళగొట్టేసింది కాబట్టి ఇతను గ్రేట్ కాదు, కానీ తర్వాత తన తప్పు తాను తెలుసుకున్నాడు. తర్వాత అతను ఒక మంచి మాస్టర్ అయ్యాడు. సో ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద లెసన్. టుడే ఐఎమ్ ఎండింగ్ దిస్ లెసన్. దిస్ లెసన్ ఈస్ ఓవర్. అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నౌ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ యూ some homework. See, homework means just all of you read the lesson. Okay. Now I have told these 2 pages out. All of you read the lesson carefully, read, and tomorrow I will ask some questions and you should answer. So till then, bye bye.